Welcome back to Newswatch 12 this morning, and turning over to Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert. What a beautiful view in Wairika this morning. Wow.
Really gets you pumped for Friday,
yeah,
right?
Wow.
Yeah, it's tough, but at least we have a visual on it now. So that is, I guess, the silver lining in everything. But you can't see much of anything in Wairika right now because there is so much fog. It's very thick fog, and it's freezing fog at that. So all of this ice, the ice particles that make up the fog itself, well, that's all going to accumulate on door handles and windshields and et cetera, et cetera. So definitely take a few extra minutes this morning to prep for that. And those roadways could be a little bit slick as well. So lots to take in. And take this in, -4 degrees this morning in Lakeview, which is a little bit warmer than Klamath Falls, not by much though. And we're at freezing, a little bit below freezing for Medford, obviously below freezing for the Shasta Valley. The only two temperature plots where we're above freezing would be Brookings and Grants Pass. And so obviously the fog is impacting our friends down in Siskiyou County this morning. Elsewhere, visibility is looking good, but we'll continue to track it all throughout the rest of the morning. Here's your hiking planner today for the Rogue Valley. It's going to be a beautiful day to go on a hike, especially later in the day as it starts to get a little bit warmer, and we'll have plenty of sunshine. So that's going to be the story for today. Once the sunshine finally eats through some of the fog and through some of the stratus clouds, we'll have a lot of sunshine, especially for our west side valleys and along the coast. Temperatures today, in spite of the sunshine, will still be a little bit on the colder side. We'll be in the 30s for the east side, 40s for our west side valleys, although we could flirt with 50 degrees in Medford, and then we'll be in the mid-50s there along the coast in Curry County. Then overnight, we're going to have clear skies once again, which means that we could potentially have more fog filling back into our west side valleys, specifically for northern Siskiyou County, northern portions of the Shasta Valley, just because that's where the fog has formed over the last couple of mornings. So we're expecting that to happen again. But across the board, cold temperatures, teens and single digits for the east side, below freezing for our west side valleys, and still pretty comfortable relative to all that along the coast, as we'll be near 40 degrees. And we'll keep it along the coast for the weekend, where there's going to be a storm system that will impact us for Saturday. It's going to be a very weak storm system. Not much we're expecting in the way of winds. There's a small chance for some showers, but I think most of us probably stay dry. The best chance for showers will be along the coast, then maybe a few flurries up in the Cascades, and it'll be a thing of the past by the time we get to Sunday. And look how mild we get after that. Temperatures will ascend after Sunday, and within the Rogue Valley, we'll have temperatures in the mid-50s. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. Showers, just a chance of showers on Saturday, and then some clouds lingering for Sunday, then a lot of sunshine after that. Temperatures getting near 60 degrees for Wednesday and Thursday, very mild for this time of the year. And then for Siskiyou County, we'll see a couple different days of cloud coverage for Saturday and Sunday, but you know the weather's starting to get boring when we start talking about the clouds, which brings up, I think, a pretty important point. I think we're going to start to get back into this air stagnation pattern here over the next couple of days. So not for Saturday and for Sunday, but then after that, there's not going to be a whole lot in the way of winds, in the way of clouds. That means that the inversion within the valley is going to get stronger. So we could have some stagnant air and some reductions in air quality, which means that the best air quality is likely going to be up in the Cascades and Siskiyous, where we'll have lots of sunshine, a little bit of that snowpack melt. And then for the Rogue Valley, fog this morning, fog for Saturday morning as well, and then it's likely that we'll see more fog after that.